Welcome to a new era in construction. Today we are excited to introduce business model canvas and our innovative product, Green Bricks Venture. Get ready to witness innovation, sustainability and commitment to a greener future. It's more than just bricks, this is the beginning of the sustainable development revolution. Let's explore the world of Green Bricks Venture together. Our team members are Mr. Chua, Mr. Azril, Mr. Mominur, and Mr. Ade. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, I'm Ade and the first presenter. Okay, in this part, I will give you an overview our product and explain about business model canvas or BMC. Our product is Green Bricks Venture. Okay, Green Brick Venture is one of the eco-friendly bricks manufacturer, distributor, and sales company. It produces bricks without the sintering process and consequently no greenhouse gases are emitted. It produces low carbon and cement-free concrete that recycle agriculture and industrial waste for construction materials. It is beneficial to reduce the effect of the urban heat island and also an alternate to clay bricks. Some barriers in consideration for Green Bricks Venture is lack of awareness, cost, lack of information, lack of rules and regulation, client preference, and then availability. This is for vision and mission for the venture. The first is vision. The vision is to deliver the eco-friendly construction materials by respecting the nature for future, followed by profitable infrastructural and economic growth. And then for the mission, consists of assist professional, respect stakeholders, keep commitment, and believe on teamwork. Okay, this is for general infographics for nine area. Okay, for the first one is key partner. Key partner like key partners, key suppliers, and key resources. For the second is key activities like value proposition, distribution channel, and revenue streams. Okay, for the key resources, resources required for value proposition. And then for the values proposition is like value delivered for customer, helping for customer problems and satisfying customer needs. Okay, for the customer relationship, type of relationship established with customer segment as per expectation and maintain them. Okay, the next is channel. Channel consists of like a customer segment reach, way of reaching, channel integration, and integration with customer. For customer segment consists of two. For the one for whom creating value, and then for the second is who most important customer. Okay, for the revenue streams, value for customer willing to pay, like for what currently paying, how paying, preference for paying, and then how much is stream contribute to overall revenues. And the last one is cost structure. Cost structure consists of most important cost inherent, most expensive key activities, and most expensive key resources. Okay, for the next slide will be continued by Mr. Azril. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Assalamualaikum and a very good day. Thank you, Mr. Adi Jaya. So I am Muhammad Azril bin Abdul Jalil. I'm going to be the second presenter. So I will be presenting on the proposed BMC infographics up until area 4. So this is the BMC infographics for all 9 areas of the proposal. The proposal comprises such as key partners, key activities, key resources, value proportion, customer relationship, channels, customer segments, cost structure, and revenue streams. All the details of the proposal will be presented throughout the presentation. So first of all, we go to area number 1, the customer segment. So So the customer segment is basically our company Green Bridge Venture would be creating a value for these four main customers, such as the individual clients at small scale projects, or up until the contractors and developers, and include builders that might be making the big and mega projects. We go so as well to private projects, might be involving in small scale projects. And last but not least, we have to engage the government projects, so that the government would instill the industry to make sure they would use the eco-friendly products, such as our eco-friendly bricks. So now we go to area number 2, related to value proportion. Our Green Bricks Venture Company would want to deliver a satisfying and fulfill our customers' needs, such as to make sure that our customers really enjoy the satisfaction of using recycled material byproducts that have a high-end and durable standards. We also making sure that the products being produced must reduce the environmental impact, not only focusing on the product itself, but also will be utilizing eco-friendly manufacturing processes and sustainable energy resources to reduce the carbon footprints and to reduce the greenhouse effect. And last but not least, above all, we must produce a good product that is very cost effective and value based pricing, because our customers want to have a very good profit margin. So this is the most important aspect of the product. Now we go to area number 3, the channels for us to making sure that the bricks would be used throughout the construction industry. We would use methods such as using the decentralized distribution concept, and then we would use the distribution directly to the suppliers and contractors, and we would go to up until to material construction trade shows to make sure our engagement to our potential customers is being done in a very large scale. We also we would use an online platform, because nowadays social media is a big thing, so we don't want to left behind. And last but not least, we definitely will go directly to sales our product to our eco-conscious customers that we have been know them, making them earlier engagement. Now we go to area number 4. The most critical thing is, after we have engaged with our customers, we must have a very good relationship with them. So we will do some vigorous engagement. It might be on the social media engagement. We might go to value-added services for high impact consultation, giving them the outstanding customer support 24/7, and then last but not least, giving them the educational on how this product would give them benefits. So I think I would pass. That's all the presentation from me. Now I would pass the presentation to my learned friend, Mr. Chua Wei Chen.
Thank you for Azril. I'm Chua. I will continue the presentations. For the revenue stream encompass diverse sources of income, or they are building block where the cash income. The difference between the revenue streams and the cost is the profit and loss. The proposed BNC revenue stream are categorized as 4: transaction of base, recruiting base, service base, and the project base. Okay, the transaction base is talk about the payment for the goods. Recruiting base pay for continuing or after sales service. Number 3, the service base is a fee and services rendered on hourly basis but not ongoing basis. The 4th is a project base. Is upon successful completion of the entire project. When we talk about the key resources, Green Bridge Ventures require a range of resources in order to produce and sell its products. The key resources for the brick factory business model can include the human resource. There's a personnel with the knowledge and the experience to operate and manage the factory. production facilities and equipment. There's a facility and equipment necessary to produce the bridge, the raw material and supplier. The raw material need to produce a bridge, and the last is the financial capital to access the money necessary to purchase the raw material. When we talk about the key activity for our company, there is a organized and manage a workforce required to produce the bridge, and the R&D such as the development and maintenance relationship with the supplier partners, production facilities and equipment. We have to ensure the safety and the quality standard of the bridge, and identify and implement marketing opportunity, carry out sales activity, also handle customer complaint and feedback security. The presentation will continue by my friend Muhammad Mamimu Rahman. Thank you.
Thanks to my other group mates for their lovely presentation. Here I am Mominur Rahman will present the rest of the part of this presentation. So first part I will describe, that is area 8 of BMC model, that is key partner. In key partners area, we have identified 6 key partners for our proposed BMC model of green mix venture, that is supplier of raw materials and equipments, and banks, those are involved with our business, the manpower who are heavily engaged with production of our green bricks, distribution and logistic partners, those are involved in distributing and supporting logistic, and lastly the society around the factory situated, because our business model is eco-friendly nature, so we have to take care of the other stakeholders of society around us. Then there is area 9, that is very important factor, cost structure of BMC model. Here we have identified 6 cost factor, that is fixed cost. Fixed cost is oriented land lease payments, salaries and benefits, insurance, utilities, cost for initial approval or cost for machineries, and initial expertise cost with ads, tax and different licensing cost. In variable cost, there is raw material, manufacturing, sales commission, shipping and freight or transportation cost with specialized customized design cost of product. And there are different types of operating cost also, like marketing, advertisement with branding, research and development for new product, IT infrastructure with software used, customer support, office supplies, repair and maintenance cost with depreciation cost of instruments. There are customer acquisition cost for marketing campaigns, sales team expenses, and also cost for free trials and discounts for products. There is a cost for distribution, like warehousing or distribution channels cost, and after that there is after sales support cost, which is related to warranty and repairs, and also customer service including consultancy. We have identified 5 areas for commercialization of our proposed BMC model, that is licensing of IP production and licensing and outright for business expansion for through agreement with partners and dealers, and there are training programs physically and online for commercialization, and commercialization through with partners with agreements, and also royalty sharing with profit by partners. Lastly, we can conclude that the venture has been proposed considering eco-friendly nature with profitable and time demand aspect. It supports a SDG as it will use natural resources and reuse, recycle and renewing the other products. The venture is energy efficient with low toxicity and cost effective business, and it can be a successful venture through for full coordination and 3 lenses of coordination of proposed BMC model, that is desirability, feasibility and viability of 9 areas of BMC models. Thank you.